Extra space storage is the perfect place to store your vehicle. You'll need to start by picking which size unit best fits your needs. A 10 by 15 storage unit is great for most compact cars. Be sure to measure or look up the dimensions of your vehicle to match appropriately with the right size storage unit. Let's look at some typical examples of vehicles and their sizes. For example, a large pickup truck is around 20 feet long. An SUV is about 16.5 feet long. A minivan is roughly 17 feet, and a four-door sedan is approximately 14.5 feet. So, the large pickup truck would best fit in a 10 by 25. The SUV and minivan could each fit in a 10 by 20, and the four-door sedan just needs the 10 by 15. The 10 by 25 and 10 by 20 options would also give you room to spare for other items. If you decide on an outdoor parking space, our most common option is an 8 by 20, which will accommodate almost any car. With our outdoor storage options, you don't have to worry about the constraints of walls, ceilings, or a rolling door, so this is often a popular option for owners of pickup trucks and commercial vehicles. Before putting your car into long-term storage, we strongly recommend a thorough cleaning to protect it from any buildup that could damage the paint and lead to rust. Also, be sure to change the oil and disconnect your battery. If you are storing outside, use a vehicle cover to give extra protection against the harsh sun, snow, rain, or any other elements that the vehicle is exposed to. For more information, visit extraspace.com or call us at 888-STORAGE.